Hey everyone, let's talk about something that's become pretty much impossible to ignore during tax season. Clients with all the side gigs. You know the ones, the W-2 client who also sells on Etsy, drives for Uber, or freelances on the weekends. These days, that's not the exception, it's the norm. In fact, studies show that around 30 to 40% of US workers now have some kind of side gig or self-employment income. For accounting firms like yours, that means a growing number of clients juggling both W-2 and 1099 income streams can make things a bit interesting, right? Because these mixed income clients can be trickier than the rest. Their income is scattered across different apps and platforms. Their record keeping is typically all over the place. And most of them, especially if they are new to having a side gig, really don't understand how quarterly estimated taxes work. And so without a plan, these returns can easily eat up your time, your client's time, your staff's time, and all of a sudden everyone is just super flustered. Now, it's not all like doom and gloom, okay? While gig economy clients are definitely more complex, they also open up a huge opportunity for your firm. These clients usually need more help, not just with tax prep, but with tracking income, managing expenses, and planning for the year ahead. And that's where you get to step more into the advisor role. And it's a chance for you to expand your services, strengthen your pricing, and build long-term client relationships with them. And when you help these clients get organized, they become some of your best advocates and they'll start sending you referrals because you're making their lives easier. So, how do you manage these clients efficiently and turn that complexity into an opportunity for your firm? Step one is obviously identify gig clients early. Add a couple of quick questions to your organizer or onboarding form. And then once you know who they are, make sure you tag them in your system so you can quickly see that list. You can send them custom questionnaires and you know to communicate with them differently during the season. Step two, you want to educate them and set expectations up front. Send a short email or one pager that explains what counts as taxable income, what records they need to keep, and when estimated taxes are due. And that little bit of education can save you and your team hours of cleanup later. Step three, obviously, you need to collect their documents. And this is where things usually get messy, regardless of the client type. This is also why tens of thousands of firms use SmartVault. You can automatically generate request lists, set due dates, track uploads, and everything is automatically saved in the right place for you. And your clients can upload everything from their phone or laptop from anywhere. And you can track progress in a dashboard. So you'll save yourself a ton of time and stress by catching those clients who aren't responding or they're being a bit too slow to upload things. You can catch them early instead of having to scramble right before the deadline. Another tip, of course, is you want to standardize your processes. Use consistent work papers and keep everything organized in SmartVault so your team can find what they need when they need it securely and quickly. Clients can also log into the portal and access whatever documents they need, and they can review and e-sign from anywhere, and their documents are securely archived. All of this helps you and your clients move quicker, reduce errors, and maintain quality even when you're slammed with volume. And then don't forget about that advisory value. Once the returns file, take a few minutes to talk about what's next. Estimated tax planning, retirement options, setting up an LLC or an S Corp. This is where you shift from being just their tax preparer to being their trusted advisor. And when you help these gig clients get organized and plan ahead, you're not just solving problems, you're helping them run their businesses better. And that's going to open the door to new services, stronger pricing, and more referrals from clients who see you as part of their success story. Gig economy clients, they're not going anywhere, okay? You're going to see more and more of them every single year. But with the right systems in place, they don't have to be stressful. They can actually become some of your best, most loyal clients. So like I said earlier, SmartVault can help you manage the entire end-to-end workflow for these clients and all of your other ones. If you want to see how it all comes together, click the link below and schedule a quick demo.